LTS. Logtank service is a high-performance, cost-effective log platform with diverse functions and high reliability. It offers full-stack log collection, search through tens of billions of logs in seconds, PBs of storage, log processing, visual charts, alarms, and transfer functions. It is designed for application O&M, security and compliance, and operation analysis. In the main page, you can see overview with statistics, alarms, log applications, or log groups. In Log Management page, click your own log group in Log Groups. In this page, we can see Log Search, Log Analysis, and Real-Time Logs tab. User can set needed time interval and see collected logs with more details. Under Log Statistic, you can view the bar chart showing the log quantity in different time segments. In Log Analysis tab, this tab page provides interactive analysis. You can use simple analysis statements to query visualize data and configure visualized charts. You can also set filters, add metrics and groups, and enable sorting for data analysis. We have SQL analysis syntax in official Huawei Cloud documentation. Logs are reported to the LTS about every minute, allowing you to view them on the real-time logs page within 1 minute after configuring log ingestions. This enables rapid search and analysis. In the left side menu, also you can create log alarm. You need to click Alarm Rules and create one. Create Alarm Rule right panel is displayed. You just need to configure your alarm rule parameters. You can trigger alarm by a keyword like error or this log is error log. Also, you can create SQL alarm rule too. When we turn back to the left-hand side menu, you can see your host management, log transfer, or configuration center settings too.